If you overload a method, when we invoke it, which parameter method is executed? It is not compiler decision or JVM decision. It is your decision based on the argument you have passed. What is the order of execution of multiple user defined methods? In the order we called, not in the order we defined. Next, can we call user defined method from another user defined method? Happily you can call, and sometimes we must call. If you call m2 method from m1, when m2 method is executed, when m1 method is called from main method. So conclusion, when a user defined method is executed, when we call either from main method or when we call it from one of the methods called from main method, it is executed. So these are all the questions we have completed yesterday. And today I told you there is a, 300 bet questions. I hope all you people ready, right? All you people ready with 300 rupees? Huh? All people are ready for with 300 rupees? Okay, good. Now let's see how many people will want the money. Right, as usual I am opening. A.java file. Now here I am creating class A or any name, no problem. Inside this class A, I am creating one method. Okay, system dot out dot println of double quotes am1 I have written. Tell me, if I compile this class, is this class compiled or not? Tell me, is this class compiled or not? Is this class compiled or not? Guess, correctly guess and tell me. Is this class compiled or not? Array, I don't have main method. In this class don't have main method. Okay, spelling correct. Okay. Okay. There is no main method. So compiled or not compiled? Compiled. Main method is meant for execution, not for compilation. So compiled. Array, but static is not there, na? To the M1 method, static is not there. So compiled or not compiled? Come on. Seems to be everyone forgot. It seems to be everyone forgot. Static keyword is not there. Static keyword mandatory, right? Static keyword mandatory for calling that method directly by its name. For defining method, static is not required, na? Static is meant for calling, not for executing. So static is there or not there, list both. Sir, I wanted to provide memory by default without creating object, so I declare it as a static. Still it is compiled successfully. Fine. Then my question is, I want to execute this M1 method. Tell me, is it executed or not executed? I want to execute this M1 method. Is it executed or not executed? Not executed. Why not executed? Why? Why it is not executed? Because no main method. Wonderful. Okay, now I am giving a question. I have a class. In that class, I have one user defined method. But there is no main method in this class. But I want to execute this M1 method. How is it possible? Okay, this is the class I develop with the M1 method. I am giving this class to you, and I'm asking you to run this M1 method. How can you run? Possible or not possible? Again, repeating question, carefully listen. Because from where you get that concept here? I didn't discuss it too now. I never ask the questions which I am going to teach you next. I will ask questions from already completed topic. Don't bring your academic knowledge. Don't bring your advanced Java knowledge. Please only concentrate on the points I have given. Again repeating the question. Array, importing word will come into picture when package concept is there, Mr. Nirvan, Subham Nirvan. There is no package concept. Then why you are talking about import? Listen once again my question. I have developed this class with M1 method. There is no main method. There is no M1 method call. I just given this class, develop this class, and this class I am giving to you. You are the another developer. I am giving this M1 method to you. Now I am asking you, execute this M1 method. Possible or not possible? Think. Possible or not possible? Okay, let me give you one real-time example. Now, you and your friend decided to go to movie. Okay. Now your friend come to your room and proposed, "Arey, let us go to movie." Then you said, "Nora, no money in my pocket." In your pocket, no money. Then, if your friend pocket has money, can you people both can go to cinema? Can you both people can go to movie? Do you understand my question? Then can you apply the same concept here? Main method is money. A class is my pocket. In my pocket, main method is not there. In your pocket, can you have main method? Come on. Where you create main method? In my class? No, right? Where you create? Come on. Where you create main method? In my class? No. Now, you yourself create your own class. You yourself create your own class. In your class, create main method. Public static void main string array args. Okay, in your class, create main method. Now in this main method, you write a statement system dot out dot println of, okay, double quotes. Now what do you write here? B main. Okay, na? Then tell me, if I compile this Java file, how many dot class files are created? 2 dot class files, A dot class, B dot class. In A dot class file, M1 method is there. In B dot class file, main method is there. Tell me now. Can I call A class M1 method from B class main method? Possible or not? Yeah. The money available in your pocket, I can use it for my requirement. Possible. Then how to call method? Simple. Method name only. M1 semicolons. M1 semicolon. Same as it is earlier, however you call. Now tell me, will it compile or not compile? Come on. Is it compiled or not compiled? Come on. Is it compiled or not compiled? Compiled. Compiled or not compiled? Compiled. Compiled or not compiled? Compiled or not compiled? Not compiled. Compiler throw error. Okay? Compiler will throw error. Why compiler will throw error? Read the compile time error. In a.java file, line number 10 cannot find a symbol method M1 where in class B. Java file is a.java file. In a.java file, in line number 10 cannot find symbol method M1 where in the class B. Look at there. Compiler software searching for this M1 method definition. This is the M1 method call. For this M1 method definition, compiler searching only in the class B only. It is not searching for M1 method in class A, not complete Java file. Now, let me ask a question. Tell me, I'm asking you, you are there in front of me, let's say. You and your friends, the complete 300 students are there in front of me in the class. Understand? Then now, I am simply asking you one student. I go to one student and I'm asking, "Arey, give me 10 rupees. Okay, give me 10 rupees. Then this student will give 10 rupees from side person pocket, pakkanod pocket. No, he will give 10 rupees from his pocket. He is searching for 10 rupees in his own pocket. In his own pocket, 10 rupees is not there. Then he's going to side person pocket. No, he will reply, "Sorry, sir, I don't have 10 rupees. Yes or no? Then I should ask him explicitly, if you don't have 10 rupees in your pocket, please look into side person pocket. If you don't have 10 rupees M1 method in your pocket, class B, search for M1 method in another person pocket. Everyone understand? Search in class A. Everyone understand? So now try to answer. Try to answer. Don't try to use Vasavi. Don't try to use your word brain, please. Stop using your brain and start following me. Okay, na? Start following me. Start following me. Current topic is not object related concept. Only focus on. Already I declared class as method as static. Already declared method as a static. Already it has a memory. Then why you need again new keyword and object, Vasavi? So you are deviating from my discussion. You are not connecting to my example. If you connect to my example, thoughts will come properly. Don't bring your academic knowledge again and again, again and I'm telling your academic knowledge, the way you learn Java is 100% wrong way. Still you people are moving in that wrong way. Are you catching my point? Still you are moving in a wrong way. It is the dirtiest way. Still you want to put your legs in the dirt. Come on, I am trying to forcing you to take out from that dirt, and I wanted to wash your legs, and I want to remove that dirt and wanted to take into a wonderful beautiful path where flowers are there. Wonderful path I am trying to take. Try to compare your academics way of learning Java is the dirtiest way of learning. Without proper thoughts, without proper plan, you have learned, okay, to your entire legs. Okay, so bad black color dirt is there, you put your legs in that space. Now I am trying to pull you out from there, and I am trying to take some other way where the perfect way of learning Java, but you people are not allowing me to take you out from there. Is it clear? So stop thinking from our academics, start think from my point of view. What examples I am giving, connect to these examples, real time examples. Okay, real time examples, connect it and then try to respond to my questions. When once you log into the class, forget about your academic knowledge. That's a waste. That is the most worst approach you follow to learn. Is it clear to all your batch? Right? So one by tick. Already it has a memory. Why I need a new keyword? New keyword is also providing memory only. Already I provided memory, not required of new keyword. Remove that from your mind. If new keyword is not there, sorry, static keyword is not there, then you have to think about new keyword. Already I have provided memory, not required of new. Now come on, try to think. What I am trying to give you, there are two people are there. In my pocket, money is not there. Now where this money is available? In another person pocket. What I say, array, please, okay, let's say me and my friend Balai Babu, name me on both side by side there. My sir is asking me, Ray Hari, give me 10 rupees. I said, no sir, I don't have. Then immediately what my sir will tell, Arey Hari, go and search in Balai Babu pocket. Balai Babu pocket. Whose pocket? Balai Babu pocket. Who is that Balai Babu here? Class A. Search in the class A. In class A, search for method M1. Tell me, what is the meaning of in? In means dot. Search for M1 method in where? Dot. Where? Class A. Are you catching my point? Vasavi, did you understand? Vasavi, did you get my point? So that's what I am trying to instruct, okay? Try to follow me so that you will get wonderful knowledge. Correct thought you will get. Correct thought will get, okay? If you are not following me, you are bringing your own knowledge, then you will face problem, okay? Listen, okay? Where M1 method is available? M1 method belongs to whom? M1 method is belongs to class A. So what I should write? A dot M1. Then see that. Compiler software clearly understand now? We instructed compiler correctly where M1 method available, where to go and execute. Look at that, successfully compiled. Background, how many dot class file created? Visualize background, 2 dot class files are created. Then which class I should execute? Java A or Java B? Java A or Java B? Java B. If you run Java A, you will get compile time error, main method not there. If you run Java B, look at there, will get output B main and A M1. What the flow of execution? Tell me. What the flow of execution here? First, First, JVM, take the class name B, go to Java Basics folder, searching for b.class file. B.class file is found. In the b.class file, available code is main method found in the main method. Then the message is what? B main displayed. Then now next you call a.m1. Tell me, listen, connected to the background subject. Here you are feeling that class A, class B are available in the same place. No. JVM will not work with Java file. JVM work with .class file. Background, whenever you run a.m1, JVM searching for a.class file. They are physically two different .class file. Physically they are separate. Then in the hard disk, it is searching for a.class file available. In a.class file, it is searching for no parameter m1 method in class A. In a.class file, we have the code is the same, right? Now it is searching for m1 available, executed, and output is coming to us. Everyone understand that? So tell me, the method available in one class, can I access from another class? Yes. How? By using class name. Okay, let me give the clarity to you. Why by using class name? Because m1 method has the memory. M1 method got memory. M1 method has memory with respect to which class? Class A. Static means provide memory to this member with respect to class A. Tell me, all the people has memory with respect to whom? With respect to me. Somebody come and ask me, tell me who are your faculty? HK. You belongs to whom? HK. Who are you? HK product. Yes or no? Now you must feel proud to say that you are HK product. I am HK product, Rabbi. Okay. So you have the identity as HK product. Are you catching my point? So like how you are telling I am belongs to HK, then this M1 method telling that I am belongs to class A. 1 second. You declare it as a static. That's why it provided memory with class A. For example, if I remove static, bolo. If I remove static, then tell me, is this M1 method compiled or not compiled? Not compiled. Compiler will throw what error? M1 method not found. Found. M1 method found, but no memory. How can I access? Okay, look at that. Earlier we got cannot find symbol. Now we are telling, array compiler, go to search M1 method definition in class A. Okay, in class A, M1 method found. But found as what? Non-static. Does it have memory or no memory? No memory. To provide memory, what I required? Object. Come on, Vasavi. Look at here. A1 equal to new A. Okay. A1 equal to new A. And if you write A1 dot M1, what you are giving information? Class A information only you given, right? Either via object or via class name, you are providing information where M1 method is available. So if the method is non-static, you have to provide class A information via new keyword. Okay, if you declare it as a static, already memory is there. Okay, no need of object creation, right? No need of object creation. Directly, we can write what here? A.M1. This is the way you should analyze the subject. Can I hope all people understand? Shall I ask the questions again? Whatever the points we discussed, shall I ask a question again? Question number one. Question number one. If a class has only user-defined method, can I execute that user-defined method by using that class directly? Answer is no. If a class contains only user-defined method, how can I execute it? We must call that method from another class. Okay, you must call that method from another class main method. Okay, next question. How can I call? What the rule we must follow to call one class method from another class? By using class name dot or by using object dot. Either by using class name dot or by using object dot, we are informing to the compiler where this M1 method definition is available. If method is a static method, we call by using class name. If a method is a non-static method, we provide memory by using new keyword and then we call. Both approaches, we are informing this method available in which class. That's it. Is it clear? If I take a class name, already it has memory, only we are informing where it is available. If we use a new keyword, we are providing memory and informing where it is available. Two activities we are doing with a new keyword. We are providing memory and informing. Whereas if you take a class name, already memory there, just we are informing where it is available. Can I hope all you understood? Shall I go to the next section questions? Sir, 100 rupees, sir, you didn't, not yet started. Match is not yet started, okay? It's a warm-up match. Okay, now we are playing with A1 team, under 19 team, A1 team, okay? So we didn't started a main match, okay? Pakistan team is not yet ready. We are playing with under Ranji team. It's a Ranji team match, okay? Right, main match will start. Wait. Okay, fine. These are the warm-up questions. Your question is completely not understand, Baba, Devesh Pandey. What is the, I mean, you have zigzag all the point. Sir, we are compile, not execute. Where we not giving static keyword to M1 method and we are calling from main method. So why we get compiled error? We should get runtime error. If a compiler found it no problem, then only JV will come into picture, na? If you remove static keyword here, compiler software knows this M1 method doesn't have memory with respect to class A. JVM cannot work. Okay, you have listen carefully. You have employed one bodyguard for you. Okay, now bodyguard know who is your enemy. Then his bodyguard is standing in front of you and waiting until he come and kill you. After he kill you, then bodyguard fighting with that enemy, na? No, na? Before only he is protecting, na? Is my point understand? New keyword must, what do you call, compiler software must verify syntaxes and everything should verify to make sure JVM execute program properly without any problem. Understand my point? If a compiler found some problem, JVM cannot execute. So compiler only throwing error. Babu, here problem is that JVM cannot execute. First you correct it. Next, if you declare method as a static, it has already provided memory. Can I call by using new keyword? Yes. Static method can call in two ways, either by using class name or by using object. It provides memory to the members available in the class, not to the class. By using new keyword, memory will be provided. Okay. Provided to the members of the class, not to the class. Class already has memory. Because class already has memory, that's why we are not using any static kernel. Shall I go to the next question? All your doubts cleared in this question? Then next question. Listen carefully. Try to understand now. Here, I am trying to write the same M1 method in the class B. Okay? Same M1 method in class B. Is it allowed or not? Come on. Is the M1 method, can I create same method in A class and B class? We cannot create M1 method in the same class. If we create M1 method with the same class, compiler throw error, duplicate method. Method M1 is already defined. Now, I am writing in different class. In two different classes, can I create M1 method with the same name? Yes or no? In your house, your name and your brother name should not be same. In my neighbor house, my neighbor house person name can be Hari Krishna, na? Huh? My neighbor house name is Hari Krishna, na? Yes. Oh, sorry, if my neighbor name is Hari, then how can we differentiate? How can we differentiate, sir? How can you differentiate? Come on. How can you differentiate? Is a compiler confused? Is your friend confused? No, right? How can they differentiate? By using surname. Excellent. By using surname. Let's say my friend come on to the road. Then he called, Ray Hari, come outside. Who will come? No one will go. I'm thinking that he will go. He is thinking that I will go. Finally, no one go. Then my friend started calling with my surname, by nickname. Okay, that surname or nickname. Okay, if they use, then the particular person will go. Tell me now. Here, I have M1 method in class B and you have M1 method in class A. Then compiler software confused. If I call M1 method, compiler software confused. Come on. Is the compiler software confused or not confused? Compiler software not confused. Why? When you call a method directly by its name, compiler software searching for that method in which class? When there is no dot reference. When I don't use dot reference, compiler software searching for M1 method in which class? Same class. Current class. In the current class, in the same class. In the same class, M1 method is available. Then it will not throw any error. Compile successfully. Okay. And which class I should run? Java B. Will get output B main and BM1. Okay. No, sir, I want to execute class A method. Okay. Then call. How to call? I must refer by using class name because different class na A.M1. Save it. Clear screen. Compile it, execute it. Then output coming B main, BM1, AM1. Okay. Now I am telling you, Are bring the book. Okay, now you are writing something. Then your father sit in front in another room shouting, "Hey, please bring one book." Then immediately, whatever the book in your hand, you are taking and giving. If you want other book, then he will tell the title of the book. Arey, not this book, social book. Not this book, science book. Not this book, Telugu book. Right? So he is going to mention the title. That with the title you can access. The title is nothing but class name. So now I'm asking question: Can I create same method in two different classes? Yes. Then how can they be differentiated? They are differentiated by using their class names. Okay, for example, I am moving main method into another class, right? Look at that, class A, class B closed, class B closed. Now I am moving main method into another class. So now I created a boundary for this class C. After you married, you are separated from your parents, na? Right, you are taking your wife or you are taking your husband and separating and going to another house, no, like that. Now earlier main method is a part of class B. Now I separated. Okay, separated class C main method. Then now this is which class main method? C class main method. If we call M1 method as it is like before, is it compiler, not compiler? Now this main method belongs to which class? C class. Now it has a boundary of searching only up to here. It cannot go beyond this. It cannot go beyond this. Then now compiler throwing error saying that, sorry buddy, I didn't find this method. Totally now how many dot class files are created? 3 dot class files. A dot class file, B dot class file, C dot class file. I should convince to compiler, this M1 method is available in B class. Go to B dot class file, you will find B dot M1. Now clear screen, compile successfully, and then execute. Which class I should run now? C class. Can I hope all the people comfortable? Bolo Nana. If you wanted to access the predefined methods given by Sun Microsystem, should I follow same procedure? This is Sun Microsystem given one class with some method. This is predefined class, let's say Sun Microsystem given class with one method. Now I wanted to access these methods from my own class. Let's say class C is my own class. You should follow the same procedure as before, na? You must follow same procedure. Sun Microsystem given class or our own class, least bother. Which class method you wanted to access, that class method name following by class name. If a method is a static method, we call by using class name. If a method is a non-static method, we must create an object and using that object I must call. Okay. So please remember, in coming days, we are going to discuss more of this point. I didn't understand your question, Mr. Subham Nirwan. I didn't understand your question. What is your question? Why C main is not is? is not is printing JVM execute line by line, or these are error or compile time error. Where when I remove B, when I remove B, you are asking. Here, what is the point? If I compile it, what is your question? What is your question there? It is a compile time error or runtime error you are asking. It's not printing C main. Are you in deep sleeping mode? Are you in deep sleeping mode? Again started asking dirty questions. What am I doing now? I am compiling or running? Compilation time, how output will come? Again start. Sorry, sir. Arey, who read your sorry, ra babu? This is a bad behavior telling sorry. Before asking question only, you people should realize what you are asking. I hate the word sorry. Next time if anybody says sorry, I will remove you from the class. Before asking question, you yourself question yourself what I am asking. Okay? Next time if anybody says sorry, I will remove you from the class. I hate sorry. Everyone understand? If anybody says sorry, I don't talk to you, I will remove you. I hate the word sorry. Okay? Simple. Before putting question in the chat box, 1 second question yourself. Is this question should I ask? Can I solve by myself? That's why I'm telling, keep the pen and paper at you. When question is coming, write question on the book. Then you read that question again. Ask a question, what? C main will come if it is a run. Currently I am running, compiling. Error is coming, compile time error. How compiler can display message? Oh, the question is wrong. Okay, chalo. Because compilation, that's why compiler error coming. So you will get answer by your own. You have that much knowledge. Okay, na? So don't be in deep sleeping mode and don't throw question just like that. Habituate solving the questions by your own. Solve questions by your own. I have given you sufficient knowledge to solve the questions by your own. Is it clear? Don't tell sorry. Sorry if you say, I'll murder you because I'm not your college lecturer. In a software industry, then the word not allowed is sorry. So we are expecting you don't do mistake. Okay? Don't come to a stage to say sorry. Now, shall we go to next question? Are you ready? Now, warm-up match completed. Let me put all these questions at one place. A class has only user-defined method. How can we execute this user-defined method? Okay? By calling it from other class main method. What is the rule we must follow to call one class method from another class method? We must use either a class name or the class object. If class is static method, call it by using class name. If a class is a method is a non-static method, call it by using object. In a single Java file, in all classes, can we create a method with the same name and parameter? Yes. How can we differentiate them in calling? By using class name. How can we differentiate them in calling? By using class name. Okay, na? So this is the warm-up match completed. Now main match is starting. Are you ready? Main match is starting. Okay. Now main match is starting. Pakka you will give wrong answers. Ready? Now Pakistan is Australia. Pakistan, Australia is now your opponent. Okay. Triangular series. Triangular series. Come on. Class A. Inside class A, I am writing main method. Public static void main of string array args. Open bracket, closure bracket. System dot out dot println of, okay, double quotes, a main. Any problem? No problem. In a same Java file, can I create one more class B? Yes. Can I create one more class C? One more class C? Yes. Now, carefully, don't use your brain. Carefully, don't use your brain. If you give wrong answer, you must give 100 rupees. If you give right answer, I'll give you 100 rupees. Okay? Don't start from one, move step by step and go to up to last, so that you will see the complete path and you will judge is the right point or wrong answer you are giving. You can judge yourself. So did you understand all points? Tell me, in a single Java file, can I define main method in all classes? What's your answer? Yes. Okay, right. So if I compile any compile time error, no. If I run any confusion to JVM, no. JVM will execute main method from the class. Okay, from the class you are running. So there is no point of confusion to the JVM. So because all three main methods are stored in a separate 3.class files. Is it clear? Right, wonderful. People who has given wrong answer, honestly, give me 100 rupees. People who has given right answer, take this 100 rupees. Okay, people who has given 100 correct answer, take this 100 rupees. Take 100 rupees. Arey yaar, arey, why it is not holding here? People who has given correct answer, take this 100 rupees. Okay, people who has given wrong answer, give me 100 rupees. All the people received 100 rupees. Received a okay. Now, are ready for next question? Okay, are you ready for next question? Ready for right answer? Next question. Are ready to give right answer? Start from first point to last point. Don't try to give answer in the middle. Move, develop, compile, execute. All commands you run and try to think like a compiler and execute. Okay, ready to get next 100 rupees. Ready? Let's see. Will I get 100 rupees or will you get 100 rupees? In a single Java file, I can create main method in all classes. It's okay. And compiler, no confusion. JVM, no confusion. We can compile and execute. Then when I run Java A, okay, when I run Java A, okay, only A class main method is executed by JVM. But as a programmer, can I also call main method and execute? Like JVM, can I also call main method and execute? Think, spend the time. Don't give answer yes or no. Think. Can I also call main method? Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Can I call her? Cannot call her? Yes or no? Come on, say. Time up. Say yes or no? Possible or not possible? Yes or no? What is main? Arey, main is after all method here. People who are telling that not possible, try to question. What is main? Main is also after all method. Like your M1 method, like your M2 method, like your M3 method, main method is after all a method. When it is a method, why you cannot call? Come on. Why you cannot call? You don't know how to call. That's why you're telling that not possible to call. Okay, tell me, how can you call M1 method? Chalo, tell me, how can you call M1 method? I can call M1 method by using the name M1. Which class? A class M1 method. How can I call? Class name dot M1. If the M1 method is a parameterized method, how can I call? By passing the argument 5. Like the same way, show me to call A class main method from B class main method. Come on, how to call? A class A dot main of what? The parameter of main method? String array. String array means array multiple values. Multiple values memory is an object. Okay na? String array is a object. Multiple values memory is object. So object means how can I create object? Object you must create by using new keyword. Yes or no? Object can be created by using new keyword. New keyword following by, and tell me which class object, which class array object you want to create? String array. Copy paste here, string array. But array means what? Multiple values memory. How many values you wanted to store? 0 values. I don't want any values. Just empty memory I want to create. Like empty room, like empty classroom, I want to create one empty object. So 0 means no values. 0 values memory. Save it. Go to command prompt and see this compiled or not. See this compiled or not. Java ca.java file. Look at that. Compiled successfully na. Already catching my point, right? Array means multiple values memory. Then is that object now? Multiple means what? Object. Already told you group memory. Group means what? Multiple na. Sravya, your entire class, all people are group. Group is called what? Object. Object means new keyword following by which group? String group. How many people you want inside? 0 people. I don't want empty memory. And look at that. It's compiled successfully. Everybody got clarity? Yeah. So tell me, how can I call main method? Is it possible to call main method by myself? Yes, we can call main method. How can I call? By using class name dot main of, by passing new string of 0. Sir, what is this 0? This 0 is size of the array. How many values I want to store? I must specify size. It's a kind of room. In the room, how many chairs I want to allot? That number I should tell to the administrator na. Okay, I must inform to the administrator how many students are going to join in the Zoom class. Those many licenses will buy by the administrator. I told 300 students I wanted to join in the 4 o'clock batch. Okay, 300 license has got bought. Are you catching my point? I say 0 students are joining. He will buy zero licenses. Are you catching my point? Right. So then now go to command prompt, clear screen, right? Compile successfully. Then which class I should execute? If you run Java A class main method is executed, right? If you run Java A class main method is executed. Are you catching my point? If you call Java B class main method is executed. Are you catching my point? Look at there. In the B class main method, in the B class main method, in the B class main method, look at there. We have called A class main method. Then what happened? Now with this syntax, oh, you are calling main method with which class? A class. It will go to A class main method executed. When you run Java A, JVM called main method from A class. When you call Java B, you are calling main method. So both methods are executed. Java A, Java B. A class main method, B class main method. Are catching my point? Then next, clear screen. Now when you write Java C, then what happened? C class main method is only executed because there is no method. So finally, come on, try to by heart the syntax. Don't try to raise too many questions. It's a confusion to you. Don't try to raise too many questions. Your father in childhood told you, use your legs to walk. Then why I should use legs? And confusion. You should use legs to walk. Okay, right? Now use to eat food. Use your hand. I told hand. Your father told you. Your mother told you. Use hand to eat. Why I should use hand? I will use my leg and. Okay, you wanted to ask the question, but you are not listening what I am telling. Why I should use a new keyword? Why I should use a new keyword? I told you this is a object. How can I create object? It is a class. String array. If you wanted to call string array, you must provide object to it. How can I create object? By using new keyword. 10 times I told you. Again you are asking question, why new keyword? Why new keyword? Where did you put your ears? Are you not listening? Pay attention in the class. 3 times, 4 times I told you string array. It is not primitive data type like int. It is not mathematical representing value. It is representing multiple. Array means multiple. How can I create multiple values memory? A group memory. How can I create using new keyword only na? 4 times or 5 times I explained. Again coming with the question, why? Multiple continuation values, a group of multiple values. How can I create a group? How can I create multiple values? Multiple values or group of values are created by using new keyword. So new following by, you must tell to new keyword, create the group memory of what type, string type, with how many values, 0 values. My target is not passing values, na. My target is telling to the compiler and JVM, go and execute main method whose parameter is string array. And tell me, if I write here int I, how can I pass? I should call main of what type of method I should create? Int parameter. So what do you write here? 5. His type is what? Integer I should write here. Okay, but here what is the parameter? Parameter, yesterday I told you it's called parameter. What type it is? String array. Array args. Array means what? Multiple values. Multiple values, how can I create? New keyword following by string array following by 0. So tell me, everyone, I hope got clarity. Can I call main method? Yes. If you want to call main method, what is the syntax? Class name dot, which class main method you want to call? Class name dot main of following by new keyword following by string square bracket size. This is the syntax. So many people have not answered this question. Okay, then give my 100 rupees. 2-3 people has given answer. Take 100 rupees, and remaining people send me 100 rupees back. Many people are watching me. When I ask the question, all people are in silent. Huh? Aha, wonderful. So many 100 rupees are coming. Excellent. Array, you know, because just a chat box 100 you are typing and sending. If it is real, will you send 100 rupees to me? Huh? If real 100 rupees, if you will you send to me? You know, you are telling yes. But you don't send 100 rupees. Okay, come on. We will continue these challenges like this. Now, carefully apply the mind. In place of 0, next question I am asking, next 100 rupees, ready na? Next 100 rupees. In place of 0, can I use 5 here? What the meaning of 5 there? Come on. What the meaning of 5 there? I am asking the new keyword. Please create a array object with how many? 5 chairs. I clearly told you array is nothing but, okay, when I say that now array is nothing but imagine your classroom. Now when I write 0, empty classroom, right? Now when I write 5 here, assume it is a 5 chairs classroom. In that 5 chairs, 5 students are there, or just empty chairs? Come on, fast reply. 5 students are 5 empty chairs. 5 empty chairs. Just one room with 5 empty chairs. In those chairs, no students means no values. Just 5 memory locations are created. So one memory, string type memory with 5 locations created. Can I create array object with 5 locations? Yeah. Can I pass it to main method? Yes. Which class main method? A class main method. Okay, what the meaning of it? Read from right to left. Create 5 location string array object. Pass that 5 location string array object to main method. Execute that main method available in the class A. How simple it is? Very simple. You should have patience to listen and analyze the point and understand. Okay, believe me, I came from your stage. I have already come across all these confusions. I don't confuse you. You only confusing yourself without listening. I'm not your college lecturer. Again and again I'm telling, don't compare me with your college lecturer. Like how you are B main and A main. So 5 also you can pass, its work. Next tell me. I am going to write here -5. Oh, my project teacher is your student. Wonderfully. Sorry. Your project teacher is my student. Super, super. How did you know? Okay, okay. What is his name? Sunil Kumar. Oh, okay. Sunil Kumar Sahu. No, current running batch student he is. No, not your batch. Maybe same name matching. Okay, okay. Excellent. Wonderful. JVM confused, no? Compiler confused or JVM confused? Is it least to compile time error or runtime error? This -5 is a value to whom? New keyword. This is -5 just value to compiler. -5, 5, there is no difference to the compiler. Compiler see value there or not? Yes, value there. Then who will confuse? JVM. How JVM can create -5 locations? If somebody come and ask you, give me 10 rupees, you can give. If I ask, give me -10 rupees. Give me -500 rupees. Hey, what are you talking about? How can I give -10, -500 rupees, right? Compiler don't have any confusion. Compiler doesn't throw any error, compile successfully, but JVM will throw exception. What the exception? Read. Clearly it is talking. Negative array size. It is a array size. It is a negative array size exception -5. With the negative array size, we cannot create array object. Sorry, it's not possible. So tell me now, can I call main method? Yes. What the syntax to call main method? Class name dot main of new string of size. The size must be either 0 or any positive number. If you pass a negative number, no compile time error, but we'll get exception. Very nice. Now I'm giving value 0 only. Tell me, here, in place of a new string of 0, I am writing args. Is it allowed? Come on, analyze yourself and tell me. Can I write a dot main of args? What is this args? Are you creating args or are you accessing args? You are accessing. If you want to access, it must already create na. Where it created? Check. Check. I am calling main Java B. When I call Java B, JVM calling main method. Bolo. To call main method, compulsory JVM software background will pass one array object na. Come on, click on raise button. JVM software background will pass array object with 0 locations. Are catching my point? So JVM software implicitly passes array object because main method is a parameterized method. Either you call or JVM call must pass array object. That array object, whatever passed by JVM, same array object I am passing to a class main method. Accepted or not? Yeah, accepted. Look at there. This args parameter. This args parameter is matched, so we can pass. Look at there. Is it compiled or not? Compiled successfully and executed. Output coming what? B main, A main. Already catching my point? Did you understand? This args is whose args? Class A main method args or B class main method args? B class main method args, not A class. This args is B class main method args. For example, if I change args to something called some other name high, then is this program compiled or not compiled? Not compiled. Cannot find symbol args. Will you get compiled time error? Cannot find symbol args in the class B. So here also I have to change that args to high. Okay, now program is compiled successfully. Did you understand? That args is not main method, A class main method args. It is B class main method args. Whatever the name you have chosen here, same name you have to write here. Then with that name, passed array object is passing as input to here. So totally, how many syntaxes are there to call main method? You can create your own array object, new string of 0 you can pass. Or you can pass one positive number, or you can pass the current main method args as argument to another main method. So all three are allowed. Is it clear my point? The next question, carefully think. I am removing a dot. Already following? I removed a dot, Adhiksha. Then tell me, is this program compiled, executed? What is the meaning of it? Analyze. Today only we discuss. It's not yesterday topic. Today class topic only. What the meaning of accessing a class without dot? What the meaning of accessing a method without dot? Means it belongs to different class or same class, same current class. Then in the same current class, main method is available. Okay. Then now this main method call is belongs to what? Same class main. Then did you play in childhood? Did you play a game rounding around you only? Allah Billy we call in Telugu. Childhood, you and your friend stretching your hands and then rounding around you only. Have you played that game in childhood? I don't know whether you played or not. I played. How fast you are running, okay, and how more time you are rounding yourself with your more than your friend. Tell me, after 5 minutes rounding, what happened? What happened? Your eyes are rounding, you got chakra, whatever, and then you fell down. After 5 minutes, slowly, now you are getting again. Okay, did you play that game? In Telugu we called Ali Billi, Allah Billi something. Same example here. Observe, when I run Java B, JVM will go to B class, call the main method. Okay, now you call main method of same class, again it is called, again coming, again it is called, again coming, again it's called, again coming, again called, again coming. Then what happened? Rangul Ratna. Rounding. At some point of the time, its execution is terminated. Okay, observe, it's not infinite loop, it is recursion. We should not call infinite loop. Infinite loop is different, recursion is different. This is called method recursion. If you call a method in its own body, then it become method recursion. After some time execution, the execution is fail. Immediately not fail, it will keep run. Observe now, b main. I didn't compile it. I must compile first. Compile it and then execute. Look at there, b main. It's keep on displaying. At some point of the time, we will get exception. The exception name, very interesting exception name. After you understand exception name, I'll explain you internal. Look at there, we got exception. What the exception? Let's see. Go up, move your cursor slowly up. Look at the error. So many times, lakhs of time main method is executed, and then finally we got exception. What the exception? Java.lang.stack overflow error. Stack overflow error. Your capacity gone. So you are rounding. Your brain is able to hold that rounding at some time, and then it is also out of control. Fell your body down. Okay, control and body gone. So like that, in Java also we have a concept called what? Stack overflow. So first you need to understand one point. Java methods are executed inside JVM with a concept called what? Stack. Okay, Java program executed inside JVM software by using a concept called stack. Stack is nothing but a memory which is contain multiple blocks. Multiple memory blocks will be there. Okay, for example, your classroom is a memory. It is having the capacity of 500. Okay, 500 students already came and occupied the chairs. Now still I am trying to insert the students, more students in that room. Then people are started shouting, it is a overflow, students overflow. Why you are throwing the students more? That's what happened. Okay, a few years back, 2-3 years back, in one institute, lot of fire accident happened. Click on rise button. Fire accident happened and students are jumping out of from the second floor, third floor. Remember why it is happened? Because overflow. Many students are thrown inside that institute, got the problem, overflow. So like that, now Java is also implicitly, okay, is following, okay, a memory. What the memory? Stack memory. Stack is a memory which contain multiple blocks. Then whatever the method you call, first the method is loaded in this and drop down, push. Stack will work on a concept called what? Push. First, it is pushing the method down. The first main method is come here. JVM call main method came here. Then inside JVM called main method, we call main method again without destroying this existing memory block. Now again method is called. So without destroying the previous memory, then the new memory is using by this new main method. Then again this method calling main method again without destroying the previous memory. This memory is destroyed. String array again is called main. Again called main without destroying previous memory blocks, again called main. Again called main. Tell me, again called main. Where is the space for main method to load and execute? If a previous memory blocks are destroying, it can be loaded. Okay. But now if you take the recursive method without destroying the previous memory blocks, it's keep on going, and finally become what? Overflow. What is this? Stack overflow. That's why the error is coming, stack overflow error. Did you understand the meaning of stack overflow? Stack means what? Stack overflow means, did you get clarity? If you call a method in its own block without destroying the previous memory block, new memory block is created and trying to load. Again load, again load. Keep on loading. There is no unloading. Then what happened? Memory block. Okay, without digesting, you will keep on sending the food into your stomach. What happened? Stomach will blast. Okay, now stomach overflow, stomach overload. Right? Tell me, I want to take another example for you to clearly understand. This is water bottle, let's say. I'm taking one water bottle. You given this water bottle to one small kid and asking him to fill this. Then this is the tap. He went to one tap. Okay, this is the tap water. And you were asking him to fill that water. Okay, here tap is there, on, tap is on. Then water flow is started coming into this bottle. Okay, water is dropping. Now it is filling. What happened now? Now finally it is come up. Still tap is not stopped. What happened? Overflow. Then what we call it as bottle overflow. For example, now let's say here down to the bottle somewhere small hole has there. A small hole is there. Then tell me, is there any chance that overflow? A small hole is there to this bottle. Now tell me what happened? From here water coming, from the top water coming, from the down water going out. Overflow there or not there? Not there. That means by the time second method is pushing into the stack, if the memory block, previous memory block is destroyed, then new memory use it or no? Old memory only will be used. Stack overflow will not come. Everyone understand? Got clarity? I called M1 method from main method. Then tell me what happened. First main method is called. Okay. Then M1 method is called. M1 method execution destroyed. Control come back to main method. And I call M2 method. New block is created? No. In the same old block, M2 method call. Stack overflow will come or will not come? Will not come. This is a basic important point you need to understand. Anybody have doubts? Please ask. Waiting for your doubts. If you have no doubts, if you have doubt, say that doubt. And then I will wait for your question. Don't keep type your questions. If you have doubt in this diagram, post doubt. If no doubt, I will go to the next concept. I don't scold, promise. Promise I don't scold you. Ask any doubt, your wish. If that is related, I will tell you here. If not related, I'll go to the next point. Ask, because what is your question? Post. Is there any way to stop this recursion? You have to write main method call inside one if condition. You have to limit the number of calls. If you don't limit, you cannot stop. Write if condition, call this main method for 10 times or 100 times. Then recursion will not come. There should be a one limit. Then that is only the way we can stop. Because JVM don't know dot class file. Na? What is your question, Vikram? I didn't see your question, Vikram. Rafiq, I hope I answered your question. JVM knows. You mentioned the class name A. In a class A dot class file there in the hard disk. Na? JVM will go to hard disk, access A dot class file. If you don't use the class name, then JVM don't know. Because you use the class name A dot main. That's why it is going into A dot class file in a hard disk and then loading the class. Adena in a B class, if you access A, okay, in a B class you written A dot M1. A means what? Class. Where class is available? In a dot class file. JVM go to current working directory, searching for A dot class file. Available. Going into A dot class file. Going into class A. Going into M1 method. A means not class A. Dot class file and class A both. Last program output YB. Because you run Java B, na, that's why B main first. Harshini, understand? Vikram, there is a concept called online compilers. There is an app. IDAE something app is there, mobile app. Java program practice purpose, you have online compilers. For core Java, laptop is not. We'll go for next question. In a single Java file in all classes, can we create main method? Yes. In above case, from which class main method is executed? From the class you are running using Java command. Next, can we call main method by ourselves? Yes. What the syntax to call main method? Class name dot main of new string of 0. What are the rules we must follow in calling main method? Size is mandatory. The size value must be 0 or any positive number. What will happen if we pass negative number? No compile time error, we will get exception, negative array size exception. Can we call main method in its own body? Yes, we can call. But we will get stack overflow error. What will happen if we call main method in its own body? It will become recursive method call and will get stack overflow error. So I hope all you people understand these questions. Shall I move to the next question? Last question. Still any doubts? Still any doubts? Any point you want me to explain? Now, I'm taking single class. Only one class I am taking, class A. In this class A, can I overload main method? Can I overload main method? In this class A, can I overload main method? What the meaning of overload? Any of you remember? Overload means create multiple methods with the same name but with different parameter types. I am writing here int array, A of int array main. And next here I am taking string. It's not string array, just string. A of string main. And this is string array main. String array main. Understand? I define 3 methods. Below. Is it allowed or not allowed? Can I overload main method? Don't confuse. Don't immediately confuse and don't, that's what I'm telling. Don't think in the middle. Start from the 0. Start from 0. You want running race? You cannot start running from the middle of the race, right? You have to start from 0 line. Now, okay, I created 3 main methods. Then I compile. Okay, start from compiler. I compile. What I'm writing? Java C A.Java. If I compiles Java C A.Java, does compiler have any confusion? Okay, A.Java. A.Java, does compiler have any confusion? Compiler will go to A.class file, verifying first method, second method, third method with the same name main. Okay, then it is verifying parameters are different, no problem. Compiler compiles successfully. Okay, then JVM coming into picture. Does JVM have any confusion? Okay, does JVM has any confusion? JVM searching for which method? Okay, now if you say Java, JVM going into class and then searching for which class, which main method is searching for main of string array. JVM searching for name main or with the parameter also. That point you have to answer. Only name with the parameter also. With the parameter also, na, I told you overloaded method. Compiler will execute, program executed based on the parameter type. So JVM searching for which method? Main of string array. Any confusion to the compiler JVM? No. Which main method is executed? Clear screen. Compile successfully. Executed successfully. What is the output coming? String array parameter method is executed. JVM going to A class. Main of string array? No. Main of string array? Yes. Execute. That's it. From here output is coming and terminated program. Remaining main methods are not executed. So what is the conclusion should come into your mind? JVM executes not main method. JVM executes main of string array parameter method. Then how can I execute other main methods? These are JVM considering as the normal methods, means user defined method. They are my own methods, user defined method. Then how can I call like M1 method? You call and execute, right? Now tell me, same class main of this main method parameter is int array. Int array. Int array means what? Object na. Array means object. Object means how to call? New int of by passing index number, size 0, some 0. Then clear screen, compile successfully, execute. JVM call string array parameter main method and we call int array parameter main method. Two main methods are executed. Then next, if I come here main of, now how can I call string parameter main method? String means double quotes, ABC, something you write, string double quotes ABC, clear screen, compile successfully, execute, output coming, three main methods. Everyone understand? So this is the third question. I told you 300 rupees bet. Third question I have asked. So 300 rupees. You got, some people got, some people not got. I got from some people, okay? So I hope now you have full confidence on every point I have asked and you answered every point, right? So 43, 44, 45. Can we overload main method? Yes. Which main method is executed? String array parameter main method. How can we execute other main methods? Okay, how can we execute other main methods? By calling methods. Okay, it's a string and a text na. It is a string. String means what? Text. How do you displaying all these messages? These all messages are string only. How string is represented? By double quotes. Start double quotes, end double quotes. Between that you can write any characters, your wish. Write your name. Okay, you can write any characters. It's just a text. String means text. Any more questions? If it is a real bet, I'll get more money from you. I'll become richer. You know, I am Lord Krishna. I am here not become rich. I am here to make you rich. Yeah, ask Shivani, what is your question? Subham K, I didn't discuss method overriding. Why you are asking method overriding? Correct your question and come back, I will answer. Yeah. Madhuri, you can also call like that, but it is optional. New string of double quotes Hari you can pass. Double quotes Hari means string object. This is additional. You are creating two string objects. It is also allowed, but not required. Compile, execute. Unnecessary, you are creating two objects. Double quotes Hari itself is a string object. One more object you are creating. Time waste, memory waste. Next questions. Why main method executes string array X? Okay. In coming classes, you will understand. Yeah. Int is a primitive value. Now, value doesn't have memory. For example, if you write here m1 of 5, 5 doesn't have memory. 5 is a value. How value can have memory? Water. Does water have any memory? Is it clear? Water need bowl. Bowl will take memory. Water doesn't take memory. It keep on flowing. Sachin Surya. Okay. Next. String has memory. When you pass a string object, it is not a value. It is a memory. First object is created. In that object, Hari is stored. And that object is passing to args. It is object. It is memory. For 5, no memory. 5 is passed and stored in parameter. But itself is an object. It is a memory. Like new int, it is a memory. It is also multiple characters. Na? So it is a memory. For string memory created. Any more questions? Can I hope all these 45 questions clear? Coming classes, it's not array chapter. Rafiq. In array chapter, I'll teach the question related to arrays. All these 45 questions, understand? Right. Shall we move to next questions? What is in output confusion? Slavia. What is your question? What is the confusion in output? First string, second int, how come? This is main method parameter is int array. That's why int array. The second main method parameter is string. That's why string. This is the order of coming outputs. Java A. JVM is calling string array parameter main method. JVM going to this method. First statement. String array main. Next main of new int of 0. Int array parameter main method. From here this message coming. Next line. Main of Hari. String parameter method coming here. From here coming. Okay. JVM not executed by name. JVM executed by name and parameter. Click on raise button and confirm. Next, Subham MK. JVM not throwing error. Did all people found option? This is stack overflow error. Did you identify? Okay, his name is Nagababu. Okay, na? Prem. His name is Nagababu. Please send WhatsApp message. Share your payment slip and ask him to share the Google Drive link. WhatsApp, don't call. Because he is busy with many students, he cannot answer to your questions by call. Use WhatsApp. Try today one more time. If he is not responding, please ping me on my number. You know my number? Unlock 4.0. So coming to Hyderabad, any problem? Let it come, let it go, Ravi. Why you worry about unlock or lock? Right, first main JVM is calling main method, a main displayed, m1 call, control go to m1, a m1 displayed, again you call main of same class, control is coming. So main method m1, main method m1, main method m1, it's repeatedly calling, finally get stack overflow. Can you overload main method? Yes. Then which main method executed? String array parameter method, because JVM can call only string array method. Remaining two methods are not executed. Then how can you call them? We can call by using by their name. Okay, na? So these are all the points you need to practice. Today, actually, we should also complete more topics. Because today I started class at 4 o'clock sharp, right? Because I need to teach you project also. Okay, and I need to conclude some more important points too, because you have asked some other questions which are related to current topic. I'm unable to complete the topic today.